What's up, good people? I hope you are doing extremely well. And if not, I hope that we can change that in the coming moments. You are now listening to Something to End the Day on a Positive Note. And I wanted to do this series because I know a lot of times on this channel, we do a lot of different things. And one of those things is we talk about how to start your day on the right foot. And a huge part of that I have come to recognize is that if you can end your day in the right way, on a positive note, on a calm note, whatever it is that will help you have a calm and serene night's sleep, or whatever you're going into at night, if you can end your day right, it really does help you start your day and have an effective day the next day if you can end your day on the right note. So I wanted to talk about a few things here that will help us do just that and just get on the right footing and get on the positive footing to end our day. So the first thing I want you to understand is that at the end of the day is done. You can wipe the slate clean. I want you to really internalize that right now. You have the power to start a new day by ending your day right now. You're saying everything that I have done today is done. Whether those things have been good things, have been challenging things, everything is done. And I can make the choice right now to say tomorrow will be a better day than it was today. Regardless of what happened today, I can let everything go. I can end my day knowing that I tried, I did my best, and I can start anew tomorrow. There's something so powerful about being able to wipe your slate clean every night and start anew. Even if you are experiencing things that are long-term, whether that be things with your health, or whether that be things that you're going through financially. I know sometimes we can, ruminate and think about those things constantly, but right now, I want you to put those things in a box, in a mental box. I want you to put them there. I want you to put a lid on that box, and I want you to put it on the shelf and let yourself know right now that I don't have to think about those things right now in this moment. I can move past whatever those things are, and I can start the cycle of ending my day on a positive note. I can give myself this space right now to end my day on a positive note. This is mine. I own this space. I want you to feel that. You own this moment. This moment is yours. You don't have to compete with anything or anyone in this moment. You can be calm. You can be elated, you can be excited, you can be whatever you want to be, whatever you need to be in this moment to feel how you need to feel. Just understand that. I want you to really understand that, internalize that, and really put yourself in a space where you feel that. You feel that, because that feeling that you have that right is very powerful. Understanding that you have the right now to put everything aside, to put all things aside, your whole day, the day before, the week before, you can put all of those things aside right now in this moment and just take a moment to breathe. And I want you to do that. With every breath, I want you to understand that I am breathing in joy and peace and calm. With every breath. Think about that. You're breathing in your own joy. You're breathing in your own peace. You are breathing in your own calm right now with every breath. All other things aside, you have that power. And I want you to do that. I want you to take this opportunity to live in this moment. To live in this moment. Just wind down all of those thoughts in your head, those thoughts of inadequacy if you have them, those thoughts of selfishness, those thoughts of hurt, those thoughts of success. Those thoughts of want, those thoughts of need, wind all of those things down right now. You have that power. You can do that. Just wind them down. Envision a clock ticking around and around. And with every tick, you're winding down. You're winding down those thoughts. As that clock goes around, I want you to one by one wind down those thoughts. Say to yourself, I don't have to think about that anymore in this moment. With every click of that clock, wind down those thoughts. As it goes around, just wind them down. And it is okay if you get distracted. Understand that all those things are natural. All those things are normal. Allow yourself to do this. Allow yourself to feel this in this moment. Allow that smile to come on your face. Allow that smile. Allow that smile. If you are feeling elated in this moment, allow it. Allow it. Allow that comfort. Allow the emotion. If you feel emotion in this moment, as you wind down, of all the things that may have hurt you, of all the things that may have made you feel inadequate, allow that emotion and wind it down. Allow it and wind it down. As you continue in this moment, I want you to always know that you have the power to wind down the moment. You have that power. I want you to have gratitude in your heart for what is coming. Your peace, your serenity, it's coming. And I want you to have gratitude in your heart for it. Thank you. Say thank you. Be grateful for it. Understand that it is coming. And you have the power to claim it. Claim it in this moment by saying thank you. Have a wonderful, restful experience for the rest of your evening. I hope this has been extremely helpful for someone. And until we talk again, I wish you health, wealth, and freedom.